Many lawyers start their firms thinking about clients, cases, and revenue. But the reality is this: a well-run law firm depends on well-designed systems. These systems protect both you and your clients by reducing the likelihood of mistakes. Let's walk through some of the most important ones. First, client intake and screening. Not every potential client should become a client. Your intake process should gather key information about the legal issue, identify potential conflicts, and help you evaluate whether the matter fits your experience and capacity. A thoughtful intake system helps you avoid problem clients and matters outside of your comfort zone. Second, conflict checking. A solid conflict checking process helps you quickly identify whether taking on a new client could compromise your ethical duties to current or former clients. It typically involves gathering key names and entities, running them through a well-maintained database, and documenting the results before any substantive work begins. Even a simple system can dramatically reduce the risk of missed conflicts, which can lead to malpractice claims, disqualification, and/or a damaged professional reputation. Third, engagement agreements and documentation. Every new matter should begin with a clear, written engagement agreement that defines the scope of representation, the fee agreement, and client responsibilities. Equally important is committing to documenting key advice and significant communications throughout the representation. Fourth, calendaring and deadline control. Missed deadlines remain one of the most common sources of malpractice claims. You need a reliable system for tracking court dates, filing deadlines, statutes of limitation, and follow-up tasks. Many lawyers rely on redundant calendars that are independently maintained as a way to reduce the risk of calendaring errors. Fifth, file and document management. You should have a consistent method for organizing electronic and physical files so that documents are easy to locate and are securely stored. Clear naming conventions and organized file structures save time and reduce confusion. 6. Billing and financial processes. Consistent billing practices help manage client expectations and improve cash flow. And if your practice involves client funds, trust accounting procedures must be accurate, documented, and compliant with your jurisdiction's rules. And finally, communication and data security. Clients expect timely updates and clear communication. At the same time, lawyers must protect confidential information. That means thinking carefully about email practices, password security, data backups, and access controls. The common thread in all of this is consistency. When lawyers rely on memory instead of systems, mistakes happen. Deadlines get missed, conflicts go undetected, and filed document practices go by the wayside. Well-designed systems don't just make your practice more efficient, they protect your professional reputation and reduce malpractice exposure. The best time to build these systems is before your caseload grows and your time becomes scarce.